Hello, today we will guide you through how to create Exness Real Account in mobile. Begin by opening the Exness app on your mobile device. Make sure the app has fully loaded so all menu options are visible and responsive. If you are not already signed in, complete any required access steps shown on your screen before moving forward. Starting from the main app interface will make the rest of the process much easier to follow. Once you are inside the app, look to the top right area of the screen and tap the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional account and platform options that are not shown on the main dashboard. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct menu, especially if your screen has several icons in the same area. After the menu opens, tap on Open Account. This will take you to the section where you can begin setting up another trading account within the app. If the app takes a second to load the next page, that is completely normal, so just wait for the options to appear clearly before continuing. On the next screen, tap Continue. This moves you forward into the account setup flow. At this stage, the app is guiding you through the account creation process step by step, so it is helpful to read each screen carefully before making a selection. Next, choose MT5. This refers to the MetaTrader 5 platform option. Be sure to select MT5 exactly as shown on the screen, since platform choice affects the type of account environment you will use later. After that, tap on Demo. Even though the title refers to creating a real account, this is the option shown in the provided process, so follow the on-screen selection exactly as displayed in the app. Choosing the option that matches the interface in front of you is important for staying aligned with the current navigation path. Then tap Continue and follow the on-screen procedure. From here, the app may ask you to review account details, confirm settings, or complete additional setup fields before the account is finalized. Read each page carefully and enter only your own valid information where required. It is also a good idea to double-check any selections before submitting, especially if you plan to use the account for trading activities later. Once you complete the on-screen process, your account setup should be finished or nearly complete, depending on any verification prompts shown by the app. If you see any confirmation message, review it before exiting the screen. That's it. You have now followed the full in-app process shown for creating an Exness account on mobile.